Welcome back, viewers. Well, tonight's cooking segment we're going to be doing a chicken rice veggie something.
Hot pot.
A hot pot, yes, a hot pot. So let me run you through the ingredients. So first of all, we've got some chicken, got some thighs. I like the thighs a little bit better. So we've got some chicken thighs which we're going to dice up. And we've got our veggies, keeping it fairly simple. We've got some sweet potatoes, some potatoes, carrot and beans. I've got a tin of tomatoes. I've got some stock. I've got some absorbo or risotto rice, whatever you think is necessary. A little bit of garlic, apple. No, I'm eating the apple, so don't worry about that. And of course, a drink to cook with. So they're our ingredients. So first of all, we're going to get in. Oh, and I'm going to cook it in the camp oven, my little camp oven on the stove.
But on the stove, yeah.
Yeah, on the stove, not on the fire. Just make it a little bit easier to cook. So
and something a little bit different.
So we'll get all this happening, and we'll come back and give you snippets on the way through, just so you don't have to sit through the peeling of the veggies and all the other bits and pieces. So we'll come back in a little while. Okay, out for now. Okay, viewers, welcome back. So a quick update on how things are going. So we've got our chicken and veggies in there. So they're sort of steaming away, sort of brown the chicken and steam away. We've ditched the tomatoes, the tin tomatoes. I'm not too sure why. We're sort of making this up as we go along. So the next step, once we've got the veggies softened a little bit, will be to pour the stock in and then the rice. So it's either going to be fantastic, in which case we'll come back and gloat about it, or it'll be a total disaster and this is the last time you'll ever see of it. Okay, out for now. Quick update, viewers. That's what we're at the moment. So we're just sending the invitation out to the campsite to come over for dinner tonight because we've cooked an absolute monster.
Smells alright.
I'm on my third cool for school. Marie's just started her wine. Look at that sunset in the background. Look at that. I'll come out and show you. Look at that in the background. So that's what we're faced with tonight, viewers.
Looks pink there, it's orangey.
Yeah, hope you're having a good one too. Okay, viewers, well, this is it. We're going to dive in. If there's no more posts, then you can take this as our final post, and you'll know that it's just knocked us off. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. Cheers, bye. Okay, viewers, dinner's done. So we had 15 other campsite travellers over here for dinner. That's what it took to get through the meal. So we've just selected one at random, just to give their thoughts on dinner. So, Miss?
Oh, what, on the random one?
Yeah. How'd we go?
It was delicious. It worked out really well. Had to have seconds because we had so much. Now I'm full.
But you had seconds. You had seconds because you wanted to, not because you needed to get through it.
Oh, no. It was delicious.
Yes, okay.
Delicious.
Righto, so there's the feedback from our random campsite tester. So I'm sure everyone else felt the same. So we'll now start to put away the leftovers. Hopefully there's enough room in the fridge. And we've got dinner sorted for the next 3 weeks. Okay, viewers, out.